Hey guys, today we're going to unbox the Act HR, a new smart band from Riversong. So as you can see, this is how the box looks like. It's got features highlighted on one side of the box. It says step monitor, calories monitor, distance monitor, call and message reminder, and then you have this QR code which takes you to the website. Front of this has got the picture of the product, and the other side also mentions heart rate monitor. It shows the time obviously, and then this touch is very sensitive, and then there's a sleep monitor. Back side tells you about the key features which are there. We'll talk about the key features in detail later, but it's compatible with Android and iOS. Let's unbox the product and see what all is inside. So here we go, this is the product, and we'll see what all is inside. So you see a warranty card which is there. This product has a 1-year warranty, and this is the user guide which tells you about various features and how to use the product. So this is how the watch looks like. It's got a home button. If you press that button, it comes to the home screen and shows you time and date. There is a step counter. Then if you press it further, it tells you the distance and of course how many calories you burnt. It also shows you the heartbeat per minute, which we'll test shortly, and then you can come back on the main home screen. Now we're going to try and see how accurate is the heart rate monitor. So I'm going to wear this in my hand, and then we'll check the accuracy of this and how well does it work. Takes few seconds for the readings to come out. Okay, so it shows us reading 83, 84. So we saw the product, and we also monitored the heart rate, and we saw how effectively it works. Now I'm going to once again briefly talk about the key features. It's got an activity tracker which tracks your goals, and you can get actionable insights through RS Act app. At this point, it's important to mention here that this works along with an app called RS Act, which you can download from Google Play. It's available for iOS also. Supports tracking of different activities like running, sleeping, distance monitor, and calorie counter. It's got a very efficient heart rate monitor, which we just saw the demo of, and it's got smart notification, notifies every incoming call and messages and all. It also has a sleep monitoring. It tracks your daily sleep pattern by calculating your sleep time and quality. Its smart alarm clock assists you to follow your pre-decided schedule. It's got an inbuilt charger. It's very easy to charge this product, and it's got good battery life. Almost 4 to 5 days can go after charge of 2 hours. And it's waterproof IP65, which means it can very well resist water entering the product. Overall, it looks like a very good product, and especially at the price that this is, it's total value for money. Thank you very much.
If this was the first time you watching my video, check out my other videos. If you like what I do, like the videos, share the videos and hit the subscribe button. Thanks.